कार में तो रखते हैं। हाँ सर।
या फटाफट और तगारी लेकर आओ तो खाली हो जाएगा माल। या तगारी लगा वापस से देख, थोड़ा बहुत निकलेगा। This is a slum test. It's me. Right. भर दे बेटा। मैं पकड़ता हूँ, चल भर, मैं पकड़ता हूँ ना। Large scale vibrators are working. Still another setting that is here. Still lying so much of slab. This much is in, more than 50% is being casted here. He's finding out the levels and line pending. Right, I'm here. So we are on the top. Complete RCC work has been, bar banding work has been completed till date. And today is we have to check out the reporting register. Take it out. So this is 16th of February. This time is here mentioned, and this register has to begin done today. And now we have to make out. We will extract these extra bars. This is Boranada, Jodhpur. A very large shuttering space is being done. This is industrial construction. And do remember, I have changed my number. Now my present Structural number is 9950589345. Hope you will attending my number. Proper cover blocks in the beams. Cross beams also contains the same cover blocks, as well as they are being centralized, fully centralized perfectly. And level mark, the red color mark is being observed here on every proceeding columns bar. And the master rings, you can observe the red marks there also. The paint is there. We have done this red mark, the KT you have written, if you can observe it from a very far distance. And this report is done. I'll proceed. These chairs is very important thing, so they are being raised here. These red marks shows this is the centralization. Every bar is binded, you can observe them. And soon we will get the pump also, and that pump will be placed on a proposed place from where it can be done. Casting will be done. So tomorrow early morning I will make another video for the casting precautions. Big chair is placed here, proper beam. It is recommended that while walking you should walk on the bar beams, because the cranks can get hurt and dislocates. This is vacant area, and you can observe it from the very far. I am on the 3rd floor, that is 18 meters above the NGL. Very good practice is being followed here. Proper binding is being done. Rings are also properly placed, and 120-degree angle turn bends are being followed on every ring. Anywhere, wherever you are standing there, you can just check it out. This is that proper work. Cover on this side, left side, cover on the right side also, so that the beam can be very straight and bar should be in the center of the concrete. These hooks are being brought here to get placed extra, so that they can catch this beam properly, and future on a great earthquake also it should not leave. This beam should not leave, because this is the outer beam, adjacent outer beam. So on a great foul position it can go out. To avoid this, they are providing it. These are the rings, J-hook. You can see them, a slightly rusted one. They will be placed here, and we will bind them. I have bind them on many other places also, so I'll show you. I have to go there. I'm walking on the beam only. हाँ आभार, मैं जा रहा हूँ. So this hook is being there. This is how they are placing this rusted beam, and they will just now bind it out also. This binding has to be get done. This is a slump test. It's me. Right. कर दे बेटा, मैं पकड़ता हूँ. चल यार, मैं पकड़ता हूँ ना.
फिक्स करो ना, मैं कार में रखता हूँ. हाँ सर.
तगारी लेकर आओ तो खाली हो जाएगा माल। जब तगारी लगा वापस से देख, थोड़ा बहुत निकलेगा। Large scale vibrators are working. Still another setting that is here. Still lying so much of slab. This much is in more than 50% is being casted here. He's finding out the levels and line pending. Right, I'm here.